Okay, so this is an introduction to virtual program with Robot Mesh. You can use, of course, ModKit and ModKit Link, but if you have the opportunity to use virtual program, it means that you can try out some code and you can test it virtually to get some ideas going before you go to ModKit and then download to your robot. Okay, so let's have a little look at the pitch area to start with. Here we go, we can move this pitch around and we can also zoom in. Okay, we can make the pitch area visibly bigger and we can also make it smaller. You can actually design your robot in this, but this has already been designed for you. This area here tells us which ports the motors are connected to. Okay, so it's quite useful. Don't need to worry about anything else just at the moment. Right, okay, so let's pull some little bits of code in here. So we've got our start here. Let's put a little bit of text in. Just drag that across. Nests into there, and you'll hear it click in. We can change the text. This is trial. Okay, and then we're going to click on drivetrain, and we're going to drag some code in here. Okay, I'm just going to make this a bit smaller so we can see. So this is going to do 100% power for 100 millimeters. Let's do another one. Got a turning one. Just drag that across. Nest it in there like a jigsaw. 100% power, and it's going to turn 90 degrees. Now, if we click this, right click, duplicate, what we get is a duplication of whichever one we've hovered over. So we're going to go forward 100%. 100 millimeters. There we go. Now we can test this. Let's just expand this screen a little bit. Just zoom out. There we go. And I'm going to click run. Here we go. So we can see that that's done the 3 commands. It's moved forward, turned, and then moved forward again. Now you'll notice that there was a little jump. Let's just click on that. If we click stop, it goes back to exactly where it was. Click run again. We can also see what's happening with the motors here as well in kind of live time. Let's just change the power a little bit. So let's go to 50. Let's go to 50. So it's 50%. That'll just stop it jumping, hopefully. Let's try that again. Forward. Turn. There we go. That's pretty good. Okay. We also have another option as well. On the next slide, we've also got the opportunity to program a real robot. So let's have a go at that. We'll look at the Chrome extension first. If we click on this, this will take you to the robot, the Chrome extension. You need to make sure you are browsing in Chrome. Okay, get that extension. Okay, that's an additional little bit of code that will sit into your Chrome. Okay, so the next stage, once you've downloaded Chrome, if we click on this link, it's going to take us here. Just click on that and scroll down the page to see the real robot, and then click Start Coding. Now this is a non-virtual environment on this one, so you are able actually to code on here. So we can just move this across a little bit. Okay, and we can just drag in exactly the same way that you've done previously. So let's put that in here. Okay, so just put that in there, and then we can run it. Now what you can do is this little button here, if we click down on that, you can actually download it into your robot. Okay, so as long as you've got a robot plugged in there, this will go to your robot. Okay.